Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for gathering here today. It is my pleasure to introduce you to the latest marvel in the smartphone industry, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Max 5G. As technology continues to evolve at an unprecedented pace, Xiaomi has consistently proven itself as a leader in innovation, offering feature-packed devices at competitive prices. The Redmi Note 14 Pro Max 5G is no exception. Today, I will take you through the various aspects of this extraordinary device, highlighting its design, performance, camera capabilities, connectivity, and additional features that make it a standout in the market. Design and build. Let's start with the design and build of the Redmi Note 14 Pro Max 5G. This phone is a testament to Xiaomi's commitment to combining aesthetics with functionality. The device boasts a sleek, modern design with a glass front and back, framed by an aluminum alloy. The ergonomics of the phone ensure a comfortable grip, making it a pleasure to hold and use. The front of the phone is dominated by a stunning 6.8-inch Super AMOLED display. The display is edge-to-edge with a tiny punch hole for the front camera, offering an immersive viewing experience. The screen is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus, providing excellent durability and scratch resistance. The back of the phone features a sophisticated gradient finish that catches the light beautifully, adding to its premium look and feel. Display. Speaking of the display, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Max 5G offers one of the best screens in its class. The 6.8-inch Super AMOLED panel delivers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and exceptional brightness levels. With a resolution of 3200 by 1440 pixels, it ensures crystal clear visuals. Whether you're watching videos, playing games, or simply browsing the web. The display also supports a 120Hz refresh rate, making animations and scrolling incredibly smooth. HDR 10+ certification means you can enjoy HDR content with stunning contrast and color accuracy. Performance. Under the hood, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Max 5G is powered by the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. This state-of-the-art chipset ensures top-tier performance, capable of handling everything from high-end gaming to multitasking with ease. Paired with up to 12 GB of RAM, the device runs smoothly even with multiple applications open in the background. The Adreno 730 GPU provides a stellar gaming experience, rendering graphics with precision and maintaining high frame rates. To complement its powerful performance, the phone comes with up to 512 GB of UFS 3.1 storage. This not only offers ample space for all your apps, photos, videos, and files, but also ensures faster read and write speeds, enhancing the overall performance of the device. Camera system. Now, let's talk about one of the most exciting aspects of the Redmi Note 14 Pro Max 5G, its camera system. Xiaomi has equipped this phone with a versatile and high-quality camera setup that caters to both amateur photographers and seasoned professionals. The rear camera module features a quad-camera setup, headlined by a 1.8MP primary sensor. This sensor captures stunning detail and color accuracy, making your photos look professional grade. It's complemented by a 16MP ultra-wide-angle lens, perfect for capturing expansive landscapes or group photos. The 12MP telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom allows you to get close to the action without losing detail, and a 5MP macro lens lets you explore the intricate beauty of tiny subjects up close. On the front, the device boasts a 32MP selfie camera. This camera supports advanced AI features, ensuring your selfies are always on point with perfect lighting, skin tone adjustments, and background enhancements. The camera also supports 4K video recording, making it ideal for vloggers and content creators. Battery life and charging. Battery life is a crucial aspect of any smartphone, and the Redmi Note 14 Pro Max 5G does not disappoint. It houses a massive 5,500 mAh battery, ensuring you can go through your day without worrying about running out of power. Whether you're streaming videos, playing games, or attending virtual meetings, this battery can keep up with your demanding lifestyle. When it's time to recharge, the phone supports 6-7W fast charging, allowing you to get from 0 to 100% in under an hour. Additionally, the device supports 30W wireless charging and reverse wireless charging, giving you the convenience to charge other compatible devices on the go. Connectivity. As the name suggests, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Max 5G is fully equipped for the next generation of mobile connectivity. With 5G support, you can enjoy blazing fast internet speeds, lower latency, and a more reliable connection, whether you're streaming high-definition content, playing online games, or downloading large files. The phone also features Wi-Fi 6E, offering improved performance and speed over previous Wi-Fi standards. Bluetooth 5.2 ensures stable and efficient connections with your wireless accessories, and NFC support allows for convenient contactless payments and quick pairing with compatible devices. Software and user experience. The Redmi Note 14 Pro Max 5G runs on MIUI 15, Xiaomi's custom skin based on Android 14. MIUI 15 offers a host of features and customization options, allowing you to tailor your phone to your liking. The user interface is intuitive, with smooth animations and a cohesive design language. Regular updates from Xiaomi ensure that your device stays up to date with the latest features and security patches. Additional features. In addition to its impressive core specifications, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Max 5G comes packed with a variety of additional features that enhance the user experience. It includes a dual stereo speaker system, delivering rich and immersive sound quality. The phone also retains the 3.5mm headphone jack, a feature many users still appreciate. The in-display fingerprint sensor provides fast and secure unlocking, while face recognition offers an alternative biometric option. The phone is also IP68 rated, meaning it is dust and water resistant, adding to its durability. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Max 5G is a flagship device that offers exceptional value for its price. With its stunning design, powerful performance, versatile camera system, and advanced connectivity features, it caters to a wide range of users, from tech enthusiasts to casual users looking for a reliable and feature-rich smartphone. Xiaomi has once again delivered a device that not only meets but exceeds expectations, setting a new standard in the mid to high-end smartphone segment. Whether you're a gamer, photographer, or just someone who wants a top-tier smartphone experience, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Max 5G is a device worth considering. Thank you for your time, and I hope you are as excited about the Redmi Note 14 Pro Max 5G as I am. If you have any questions or would like to see the phone in action, please feel free to ask. Thank you for watching, and feel free to leave your questions or thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews.